Hi, my name is Silent Dad. This video will contain solutions for the exercises in the C programming language book by Kernighan and Ritchie. Exercise 3-2. Write a function escape st that converts characters like newline and tab into visible escape sequences like /n and /t as it copies the string t to s. Use a switch. Write a function for the other direction as well, converting escape sequences into the real characters. Okay, so first let's create the let's description of the escape function. Escape converts the characters like new line and tab into visible escape sequences. So we're going to have this function as type void. So escape is a character. Okay, so since the exercise requires us to use a switch statement, we're going to use the as cases only as a reference the characters new line and tab, since the other characters that has an equivalent escape sequence can be added later. So okay, since we have an array of a string as an argument, we can just go through all the characters in the array, and then we're going to stop if the character that we wrote is a null character. So for I is equal to 0, it copies the characters the string t to s, so ti is not equal to null character. Grant I. Okay, so switch the character. So case new line, case tab, and the default case. Okay, so if our character is a new line, so all we need to do is put a slash character first, and then the character n for the new line, then create it, and then add the break statement. So for a tab character, so s is equal to tab. So for other characters, we'll just copy the character to the we're just going to copy the character.
Ha? Kape? Dapat sa akin.
Yeah. So after that, we're just going to put a null character at the end of the array. Okay, so that's basically it. So let's test. So let's say okay, so let's define the size as max. Define size as 1000 for the size of our array. Okay, so we're going to get the input from standard input. So we stop when the character is a new line. We're going to copy the character to then we're going to okay. So let's test.
Grabe, ano itong kape?
Up. Okay, so let's call the escape from, then print string okay, so let's create a template of course. So let's compile again without the escape sequence first. Nope. Okay, so let's what is wrong? I didn't print. Okay. I didn't I didn't initialize I 0. Okay, so again. Oh, okay. Again, try. Good. Okay, so let's put the escape sequences. So we need tab, and then new line. Oh, it did not. Tab, new line. Oh, this should be S. Okay, so let's compile again. Tab D, then new line. So should be tab D. There's no new line. There is no new line. Should be. Okay, so we need to put the new line character here, of course, before the null character. Okay, so tab D, new line. So tab D. Okay, so tab D, new line. Yeah, tab D, new line. Okay, so how about the reverse? So we're going to use to call this that function as an escape. So let's name this as first as escape. Escape converts the characters like new line and tab into visible escape sequences. Okay, so let's call the other function as an escape. So and escape. Converts the escape sequences like T into its equivalent character. Okay, so again, return type is void and escape as character T. Okay, so similar with this one. So int I j for I is equal to 0, ti is not equal to null character grant I. Okay, so if ti is equal to the slash character, so we have a escape sequence, so we're going to use the switch statement on the next character. So next character, so case if the character is n, we have a new line, so we're going to save new line to the copy the new line character. So s is equal to new line character break. Case if it is the next character is tab, so s is equal to tab then break. We don't have a default function. We don't need a default case here. So else, if it is not a slash character, just copy the character, so tj. And let's put a null character at the end. Okay, so let's use the output of this. The output of the first function as an input, so an escape yes, let's print string t this time. So on escape we haven't created the template, so let's see. Okay. So let's try first without. Okay, of course, because we have a new line. Okay, so now we have tab D tab A and then new line. So tab D tab A and then new line, which produces the same output. So the last output, the output of our unescape is the same as the input. So let's try another one. So tab new line A and the new line. Good. So based from this result, we can safely assume that that we have satisfy the requirement of this exercise. So I hope, so that will be all for now, and I hope you learned something.